Well, we've got A's and B's just like you. We might have a few extra ones, too. Now, A's for apple. As everyone knows, too bad we don't happen to have some of those. But look out for B. A bodacious blue bubble. And bumblebees buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Big Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with D? Like David or Dennis McGee? E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun. G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat. That's right, the hat of the cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Good for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the new Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kajoo, lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite. North and south going Zaxes, stubbornly stopped unbudged in their trackses. P is for perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a sneetch. Now back to G. What? For green eggs and green ham. I really like them, I do, Sam, I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown with S and a T. Uncle Op's umbrella is a triple for you. And he just might throw in his underwear, too. V is for the visitors here on vacation. People see us from many great nations. W is for the pilots right. We wish to write them, so please tell us when. Now X, Y, Z, where the rhyming gets tough. C is for zero, with a chance we won't say that our ride through Seuss Landing was the best of the day. So, we'll just finish up now with zip, zip, hooray!
Please remain seated with hands and feet inside the trunk until you pass through this area.
Is it hot? Yeah. I thought it was just me.